Hello everyone. A very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good. Everything is working fine on your side, and everyone is ready for a new trading battle. Yes, you heard me right. So, I'm back with the trading battle. So, of course, like always, I have a special guest, one of my elder brother, or you can consider as my buddy. So, Parveen is there to help me in today's conversation, in today's trading session, in today's trading battle. So, Parveen, thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much for sparing time today.
Hi, Kunal, and this has been like our usual practice now. So, you know, I feel like home again. So, thank you. Thank you so much, man. It is always fun to, have these trading battles with you and, have our own discussions and, especially connect with the traders, taking their questions. So, thank you so much for the warm welcome. Thank you so
No
much.
worries, no worries. Yeah. So traders, those who have already participated in the past in these type of trading battles, I'm sure they are well aware that what exactly we are going to do today. But in case if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe it, be part of the family. And what exactly we are going to do? Let me just give you a quick introduction about that. So me and Parveen, both of us, we are going to have a trading battle where we are going to pick a specific strategy. Like Parveen will be picking his strategy, I will be taking my strategy. So you will be having two strategies to learn up. At the same time, we will also talk about our trading mentality or mindset. What are the things which we are considering while taking trades? At the same time, of course, you are going to get some information, but along with that, just to make it a bit more lucrative, like offer which you can't resist. So there is going to be a giveaway also. So whosoever is going to participate in this trading battle, they can they are going to analyze that who is going to make how much profit. Now for an example, if there is a trader who will analyze that Parveen is going to make 200 today, or he's going to make that much loss today, or anyone, like if you are going to tell me that Kunal will be making that much profit or that much loss today, so whosoever will be the winner, like either I will be making more profit or less loss, or Parveen will be making more profit or less loss. So whosoever will be the winner, then we will analyze that which trader mentioned that this trader will be making this much money. Whosoever will be making the nearest calculation or the exact calculation will be getting a $10 risk. I'm sure that I have cleared everything, but still, in case if anything is missing, just let me know in the comment section. And at the same time, traders, this link for that Google form by which you can participate in today's conversation, I have already shared in the chat section. At the same time, I have also pasted it in the description, so you can pick it from wherever you feel comfortable. Okay, so we will start our today's session, and let me tell you the set of rule also. I'm sure Parveen you are well aware, but let me just rephrase it. So each trade, maximum trade amount is going to be $20. We have the availability, or we have the authority to use two risk-free trade each for $20.
Done.
Okay,
Yes.
so Parveen, I'm sure you're clear about that.
Yeah, I'm very clear. So two risk-free trade, both $20
Hmm.
I can use, and the
Hmm.
maximum trade amount should be $20. We cannot cross more than $20. Got it.
Exactly. Okay, so as you are the guest, Praveen, and you are the elder one also, so ball is in your court. Which strategy you want to pick? You can select
Okay, so
first.
thank you for calling me old.
I'm calling you elder, not old.
Okay, so today I think I will go with Safari strategy.
Okay, so if you can give a quick tour about this strategy to the traders.
Yeah, so basically this strategy gives best of its results in 2 to 4 minute duration. And basically, in this strategy, we use Japanese candlestick along with William percentar and MACD. Okay, so MACD basically it helps you identify the trend, and William percentar it tells you where the reversal and correction is going to happen, and it's a very useful tool. So today, while I'll be selecting the strategy and while taking trade, I will explain more. Now I'm just giving you a quick intro about the Safari strategy. Okay, so
Thank you
basically
so.
three contents are there: Japanese
Hmm.
candlestick, William percentar, and MACD, and that is what I'm going to use today.
Perfect. Okay, so let me pick my weapon set also. So traders, this is my screen. My screen is going to be the black one, and Praveen is going to have a white screen. So that will be more easy for you to differentiate that whose screen is visible on this there. And if I'll talk about my set of weapons, so I'm planning to pick today. Let me see. Oh, okay. So it's Friday. Let's pick Friday strategy, and I'll try to make it customized. So initially I will be applying Friday strategy. So in Friday, what exactly we are going to pick? EMA with three different frequencies: 5, 13, and 55. In whichever direction the lower frequency is going to intersect the higher one, that could be the direction of the market. If the intersection is in the upward, market up; intersection in the downward, market down. Very easy to understand. At the same time, just to avoid some sudden volatilities or some sudden movements, or sometime like market is getting stuck with the support resistance, or market is already in the overbought or oversold zone. So just to avoid that thing, I will be also adding stochastic to that. So what exactly it is going to be? So this can be considered as a customized strategy. Those who are not well aware about that how stochastic exactly works. So in this one, there are two major level, 80 and 20. This one is overbought zone. This one is oversold zone. Whenever the market will breach any one of them, then we can expect a price correction. Price correction means if market is keep on moving downward, then market can switch to the upward direction, and vice versa. We will keep on trading, we will keep on using this strategy. So we will keep on explaining this throughout the session. So in case if anything is missing or something is not clear, nothing to worry, traders, we will be explaining that. But before starting today's trading battle, before starting today's before we'll start taking trades, traders, I want to share a couple of important points. First, this is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss. So, considering that thing, make sure you invest enough time and then learn about the market, because trading is not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So, make sure you invest enough time. First thing. Second thing, all the technicals, whether Praveen is picking or I am using, so everything is based on some mathematical calculations. So there are no such strategies which are going to promise you 100% accuracy. So considering that thing, do not invest a huge capital in any single trade. Whether like once you learn that strategy, make sure you spend enough time on demo and practice. Third thing, all the trades, whether Praveen or me, whatever we are going to take, we are the one, those who are going to be responsible for them. So everything is going to be depending on our skill set, our experience, and the time which we have spent for our own trade. And fourth, and the most important, even though this session is live, we are having a conversation with you live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So there is a possibility the trade which I will open in front of you right away, or Praveen will open, that will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. And in case if you will try to do some copy trading, that can lead to some negative results. So please avoid doing a copy trading and work on that part. Okay. So before start, Praveen, if you can tell how much balance you have in your trading account.
$17,163.95.
Okay, so
One seven
17,100. Mhm.
63.95.
Okay, so just remove the points. 17,163. And
Yeah.
traders, you can also check his screen. And now let me show my screen also. So I have somewhere around $15,048.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
whichever calculation you want to make, like either you can add a lump sum amount that I will be making 16,000, or like anything, any amount. Either you can write it down as it is, or you can write it as the amount of profit. Like Praveen will be making 60, Kunal will be making 30, anything, whichever you want. Okay, now we will start taking trades, and Praveen, we can initiate. So wherever you will be
Right.
finding any signal, feel free
Okay.
to
Yeah, sure.
uh, guide the traders also.
So basically, as I was saying, I'm using Safari strategy where we use Japanese candlestick and we use MACD and then we use William percent R. Now, I would like to explain few things. So basically, in this, there are three indicators for taking a trade. First thing is we want to see the color of the candle, if it's red or green. Green means obviously it is going up. Red means it is going down. But at the same time, when you see MACD that is in blue color, So there is a line in the middle which is we call zero line or the center line. So whenever this blue histogram comes above the zero line, it is signaling an uptrend. Okay. Until and unless it goes down and the candle is red, we are not going to take a trade. And not only that, we have to see the William percentile. So in William percentile, basically what you see is there are levels of 20, 50, and 80. What are these levels? Now, basically, when you see this green histogram above 50 line, it's a signaling an uptrend. But the same histogram, when it goes above from 50 mark, when it crosses this 20 mark, it shows this market has already reached overbought zone and it can come down anytime. So we have to be very careful while taking trades at this. Whenever the histograms are below 50, it's a signal for downtrend. Similarly, when they cross 80, that means market has gone to oversold zone and it can bounce back anytime. So we need to be very careful. So these are the danger zone we should always try to wait or avoid trading. Okay. So having said that, right now, as you can see, all the signal is for uptrend. The MACD is above the zero line, candle is green, while the green histogram in William percentile is above 20. Now, the thing is, this is a signal for uptrend, but it is also suggesting that market has went to overbought position. It can come down anytime. So taking a big amount trade here will be an unnecessary risk. Never do that. Okay. Okay. So since I don't want anyone to do it, I will also not do it. So I'm changing the asset. Here, if you see, William Percentile is saying it's a downtrend, MACD almost downtrend, but the candle is not in what we wanted. So again, we avoid this. Just try and understand. I am not going to take trades on basis of maybe the next candle can come as green or red and I will take a trade. No, a signal is a signal when it is a signal. Do not expect anything. Yes,
True.
Kunal, you want to say something?
Praveen, yeah, of course, I want to share one thing, like one, what we call a secret weapon I am using. So, you know why I have asked you to take your first trade? Because I will be having a lot of time to focus on my screen and I will be able to take so many trades. And to be honest, so far I have executed four trades. Two are already
Uh-huh.
positive, third is about to be
Uh-huh.
positive, and fourth is looking a bit dicey.
Wow, wow, wow. So you see, it's like like it is like it's a game, it's a battle, okay, by hook or by crook. So I cannot complain like how can you do this? Okay, this is all in the game.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah, so traders,
I
let me
have
show
to.
you. So I have executed this trade. You can check the time also. So it's somewhere around 6:48. So I have executed so far three trades: gold, Europe Composite, and Ethereum OTC. I was looking to explain that also, but Praveen was already explaining his strategy. So no worries, I will be explaining mine also. But at the same time, I can see that so many traders they have dropped their comments also. So traders, let me tell you that thing also. So comment section is already active in case if you will be finding any difficulty, doubt, question, query regarding to trading, money management, risk management, that should be trading only. So we will love to help you with that. And let me take a couple of comments so that at least Praveen will also be able to focus on his trading. So first of everything, hello to everyone. Mahendra ji, I am doing good, and I am sure Praveen is also doing fine. I hope you are also doing good. MSRK, wait, sir, I will give you instruction for sure, sir. You can guide me. Radhe Radhe Balaji, Jai Shri Makal. I lost 200. Rakesh, I'm sad to know about your losses, but share some more insights about that. Whether you were making some aggressive trading or which technical you were using. See, traders, whenever you are sharing your experience, make sure add a bit more information that sir, I have made that much loss and I was using this strategy. So at least we will try to explain that which things can be improved in that one. MSRK, please share your problem also. So we will try to help you with that. Okay, so many comments are there already. Is there any customer service is available to direct contact with me, sir? You can directly write to them support-hi or support-en at olymptrade.com. At the same time, if anything is regarding to deposit or withdrawal specifically, then you can also write to payments dash sup is SUP sugar union papa Again, I'm repeating, payments dash sub at olymptrade.com. You can directly write to them. Deposit amount not credited. And sir, request you just connect with the support team. They will be the best one, because me and Parveen, both of us, we are from the VIP department. So the major hold we have, that is on trading. Sir, why trading is too much hard? See, Sambhaji, if you feel that last three candles were green, next can be green, last three candles were red, next can be red, that is not trading. And then it can seems like it is very difficult. But once you will start diving into it, once you will start finding out some patterns, like once you will start using some technical tools, like there was an intersection between these two SMAs or EMAs, then you will start finding that trading is not that tough as we do. All you just need to spend some time, you just need to learn about the market, so that you will be able to understand that if anything is happening all across the globe, or if anything is happening in the market, why exactly it is related with it. And then that will be more easy for you to understand and to grab a hold of that. And when Praveen was explaining his strategy, so he also mentioned one very nice piece of information, that never ever take trade on a incomplete signal. That signal might be there, or signal could be there, signal can be there. Signal is there, then execute the trade. Because if you are going to take some trade on the basis of some assumption, then why we are using technicals? We can already take trades on the basis of assumption that last candles were like this, next can be like this. But if we are picking some technicals, then rather than trying to take a trade prior to the signal, or sometime after the signal, why don't you move to the different asset and then try to explore? And this is something, traders, we are always suggesting. Rather than getting stuck to one specific asset, keep on shuffling your cards, so that you will be getting a lot of signals. There is a possibility on one asset where you are stuck, signal can be there after five candles, but there is a possibility on the next asset, signal is already there. But if you will switch it, only then you will be able to find. So you need to work on that. Okay. Okay, sir. How your hair growth is so fast? Last time they were very short. So Abhinavji, you can see that they are quite better now. But
I
I'm
don't
planning
believe
to trim it again.
he's using fertilizers. He is beyond using oil and all. Now he's using fertilizers.
No,
That's the secret.
Praveen, bhai, I am planning to shave it again, like just to make it a bit more shorter. Because in my
Uh-huh.
area, we have a mindset: the shorter the hairs you have, the more rich you
Uh-huh.
are going to be.
Uh-huh. Then
Yeah,
ask
so like,
someone to pull it out.
it's not like that. The shorter hairs you have, it's like the more hair fall you have. But if I am
Ah,
not
that
having
I
hair
got
fall,
it.
then I am going to shave it.
Very good. Like by hook or by crook, I want money in my life. That is the
That's it. That's it.
I
That's it.
got it. I got it. I got it.
And I know that you also shaved your head with the same reason.
Yeah. See, for mine is very simple, Kunal. As I went to a region where it was very, very hot. And,
Yeah.
I am a person who, like, if this is giving me headache, remove it. I don't have any kind of emotion towards this.
No, I do have, but like I was planning something. I am planning
No,
something, so that is the reason that I have that look.
there are some people, I'm like, they are crazy about their hair, like, 10 times combing and all. And I just don't get it. Like, I am like, okay, let's see. So,
Everybody's having different approach.
yeah,
No worries.
like,
Yeah, yeah.
no,
Please, please,
no
please, please.
complaints, but I'm not like that. So I'm like, I felt very hot, just went and please remove everything. Even the barber is like, huh, why you want to do that? What happened? Nothing, it's hot.
No, like I am not like that, but everybody is having different mind. So yeah, so
Yeah.
let me try to take a few more comments. My account has been put on hold with a withdrawal amount. CPY 420, if there is any verification going on, just upload the required documents. Relevant department will look into it, and your account will be unblocked, and you will be able to make your withdrawal and everything. So nothing to worry. Withdrawal is not easy there, sir. There is nothing like that. Raise a request. Standard time frame is 24 hour to 5 working days. Majority of the withdrawals are processed within 1 hour. But still, if anything is taking time, just stay calm, let it be processed, and then you will be receiving your money. Why forex trading is too slow? Sir, there is nothing like it's too slow or something like that. If you are going to pick it for a very short time duration, then of course you will find it like it's very slow, that you are making profit very slow. But at the same time, if you are using a longer chart time duration like 1 hour or 4 hours, then you are going to open a position specifically during fundamental data flow. So you might be finding that the market is moving in your direction within couple of minutes, and then you will be able to make profit. So at the same time, if you feel that in forex the profit generation is quite slow, then of course you can go for the fixed time trading mode as well. That is also available. Okay, so sir, any help issue is not solved, sir, just connect with them. They are the best one, those who can help you. Withdrawal amount is available, sir, then that amount is not reserved so far. Do not use it, keep it there. Once it will be there, then like relevant department will work on that, and you will be getting that. Abhinav, on in my account, I was having somewhere around 15,048 when I have started, and in Praveen account, he was having 17,163. And is any customer service is available for contact me? My problem is not being solved. Which long period my money is stuck? Sir, just share your trader ID. I will just forward it to the relevant department. If anything will be available, they will look into it. And please do not spam your message, because sometime there might be some another message those who want to talk about. So that will be very hard for us. What type of indicators are you using? So mobile mobile gent player. So, sir, I am using Friday strategy with the EMA frequency of 5, 13, and 55. At the same time, I have picked stochastic also. Praveen, if you can also give a quick insight, like which technicals are.
I'm using Safari strategy. And
Mhm.
in this strategy, we use William percentile and MACD. These two oscillators and Japanese candlestick for price chart.
Okay. So, and what's your score so far, Praveen? So, how many trades you have made and how many profits?
As going on, so like, oh, see, this is what it is.
Like, what's your
Uh,
current balance now, right away? It's 17,000.
17,000, 17,035.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my this trade is on the edge. On the very last moment, I made a loss. But so far, I have executed a couple of trades, like one, two, three, four, five, six trades, four positive, two
Mm.
losses. And if I talk about the capital, I have somewhere around 15,081. I started at 48. Even though I just crossed 100, but then I made a loss at the very last moment. So no
Mm.
worries, no
So
worries.
in
I
the
will.
game, we have time. We have time. We have time.
Yeah, a
We
lot of
can
time is
still.
there.
So
Okay.
if you see between me and Kunal, if if you really want to compare, so basically Kunal is very selective about his trades in terms of taking trades after trades. Basically, he's taking only $20 trades, but he's not taking trade frequently. He's selecting, he's watching asset. But on other side, I am taking trades after trades. But if you notice, I am not taking $20 trade on each of my trade. I am going with $1, $2, $5. Okay. So these are like, two sides of the coin. Okay. When Kunal is looking into a chart and if he feels it's not worth, he's not even thinking of taking even $2 trade. When I am looking into a chart and I see, okay, I think this is having like a 2, 3% or 10% or 15%. Okay, I can take a risk of $1 or $2 because it is still under my risk management system. I'm not taking a big risk. And that is why, like some people, they will be thinking why Kunal is taking only 20, he's taking less trades. But at the same time, Praveen is doing 15, 20 trades. The reason is he is using $20 in one trade, and I'm using one, two, three, four, five, like that, based on my experience and based on my confidence, how much possibility I have of success. Okay. So please do not, these are two different ways. Now, I cannot do Kunal's trading the way Kunal is trading. I cannot do that in the same way with my frequent type of trading because it will prove a huge loss for me. Okay. I cannot take, every trade for 20 rupees, $20. Okay, I have to be very selective if I'm using that big of an amount. So this is the difference. So if at all you are a trader who wants to take trades after trades after trades, then you have to cut down on your investment, on your money management part. You have to go with small. But if you are a trader who likes to take selective trade, then based on your experience and based on your confidence, you can go select an amount which you think is like good enough for you and do trading as Kunal is doing. Yeah, Kunal, you want to add something to it?
No, like this is the main point which I am always used to tell the traders, that traders, it's not only about making an investment and start taking trades back to back. You need to focus on your risk management and money management also, because you will be able to make profit only in one condition: when you will be having capital in your trading account. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you should make deposits again and again. That always means either you can pick my approach, be selective. If the confirmation is there, then open a trade. Or if you are one of those, like you, those who want to take back to back trades, then you can pick the approach of Parveen also, that what exactly he's doing, where he's 100% sure or he's too much confident, then he's using the maximum which he want to. At the same time, where he's sure but not that much, but he want to take a trade, then what exactly he's doing, he's investing a very small capital. So what exactly will happen? Two condition: either profit or loss. If profit is going to be there, then you will be able to analyze that, okay, this is something which I can consider next time. So you will be getting the confidence when the same signal will be there in future. Second scenario, if the loss is going to be there, then at least that loss is going to be that small, that in case if you want to recover it later on, that is not going to be too hard for you. And traders, this is something which you should think about. Again, I'm repeating my words, that you will be able to make capital only when you have capital. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you should make investments again and again. Whatever the capital
Yeah,
you have made, I have seen some traders, those who are stating that, sir, when I will be having that much big capital, then I will be making profit. But this is a small capital, so I'm not bothering about that. Traders, understand one thing, that is also your hard earned money. You should treat it the way you are going to treat the higher capital. Because mark my words, if you are not going to respect your smaller capital, then I can tell you in front of your face that you are not going to hold the higher capital. So you need to focus on that part as well. You were saying something, Praveen?
yeah, Kunal, I want to add one thing here. Recently, I saw a trader, he's investing like every trade is minimum 2000 rupees something. Minimum is 2000. And he's having good capital. I said, sir, why every trade of yours is like, 2000? He said, with this capital, I can manage this much, investing this much in each power trade. I said, okay, I'll give an example and you let me know what you will think about this. Like, so I said, okay. So I was just humoring. So I'm humoring everyone who is connected today. So let's say I found a handkerchief, Kunal, on the road, okay, and it's like shittiest handkerchief. It's worth nothing. Okay. And
Mhm.
I, just because you have, 10 crores in your bank account, I come to you and I say, see, Kunal, you see this handkerchief? Yeah, it has no value. If somebody else asks me and if he's in need, I can give him for 5 rupees. Okay. But just because you have 10 crores, I will give you for 1 lakh. Now, just because you have 10 crore, you will buy that shittiest handkerchief
Of course
for
not.
1 lakh. I
Of
think
course not.
no. Then think about this handkerchief as your trades. When the trade itself is not worth 1 rupee, how can you go and invest 2000 saying I have this much balance so I can take this much risk? Then he's like, okay, sir, I got your point. So that is what it is all about. The way I am trading, I'm saying, okay, this signal at this point, $1 is more than enough. I'm not going to invest more than that. So you have to be very careful. Do not take trades on basis of, God will save me, I or some uh, supernatural things will happen and out of the blue some magic. Do not put your trust on magic or any wonders. Put your trust in your knowledge and your experience. That is the key.
That's it.
And
Sometimes.
recently, yeah, yeah, Kunal, go ahead.
No, no,
Sorry.
please go on, go on, go on, go on.
Recently, some traders, like, and now this is for those traders. who are not attending the session and thinking that whatever they are doing is right. And see, basically YouTube sessions, it is not directed for one trader. It's a series, okay? It's a series, right? So some traders, they are like, sir, like, no, I know what I'm doing, this, that, and I am martingale strategy without knowing where they should put martingale strategy. And these are the things that I'm seeing usually. So, out of the blue, this one, I just created one story for the trader. I said, sir, please tell me one thing. Let's say you and me, we are very good friends. Okay, we are very good friends, childhood friends. And once what happened, I met an accident in front of you. I met an accident, and now you have to take me to hospital. You love me so much, but the problem is we have a car in front of us, and the problem is you don't know how to drive. Okay, now I know after watching here and there, after some time, you will put me in the car and you will start driving. Now I cannot doubt your intention. Your intention is very good. Meaning, when we lose a trade, our intention is to recover or make profit or whatever it is. So your intention is good. I don't have any doubt. But the problem now is, previously on my life was in danger. Now not only you are also in danger, and whoever comes in front of us, they are all in danger. So
Completely makes sense.
So I said, now you tell me, what do you think about this? So this is what it is. Trading is something which can be learned. So somebody said trading is tough. Why can't it be done? Sir, trading is not tough. Learning is little bit tough. And that is also not tough. Tough is, I think, like, no, having a job where you go and from, in this scorching heat, you go and work from day to night. That is tough. This is necessary. You have to just learn when to press the button. Right now, you're pressing button anytime, but all about training is you will learn when to press the button. It's a very easy thing. Okay, so it can be learned. It's a skill. It can be learned. Yes, Kunal,
Exactly.
you can continue.
That was really nice. That was really nice. Okay, so
So
yeah, please, please,
yeah,
please,
good,
please.
good, 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 good.
No,
Go
no,
ahead.
I was just I was just about to take a couple of more comments. So as I can see that.
Yeah, yeah, you take it. You take it. You take it. I said what I
Okay,
have to say anyways.
so Sambaji chart is not shown, sir. Just join the session again. Just close it and start it again. I'm sure it will be there. And Kulveer Singh ji is saying something. Where is it? I'm new here to start trade. Can someone help me? Kulveer Singh ji, first of everything, very warm welcome to the platform. I'm glad to see that you have joined us. And as you mentioned that you are new to the platform or you are new to the trading, one thing I just want to tell you: make sure you invest enough time, learn about it first, and then start making some investments. Do not, dive into the market without any experience or without any knowledge, because that can lead to some negative results. So you please make sure you are well aware about everything. Okay, and at the same time, this is our official channel, traders. This information is to everyone, so this is our official channel. So make sure you subscribe it, because every now and then we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic, Indonesian, Spanish. Like there is one more, so we are conducting sessions in these such languages. So whichever you are comfortable with, make sure you subscribe according to that. And at the same time, whatever the sessions we are conducting, I'm doing one thing, like we are just saving them everything in the form of playlist. So you will be find out everything there, whatever we have talked about in the past as well. Okay, sir, I lost 1 lakh and gained 20 lakhs, sir. So sir, first of everything, I'm sorry to hear about your 1 lakh loss, but I'm happy to see that you made a 20 lakh. So make sure you withdraw that funds also. Do not get into the over trading and everything. Preeti ji also made a loss of 60K. Preeti ji, also please share your experience, that what technical you were using, so that we can help you in that. Can you sir write the answer, sir? What answer you want me to write? Like just drop an email to support-hi@olymptrade.com, or support-en@olymptrade.com, or payments-sub@olymptrade.com. And at the same time, if you want to share your trader ID, please avoid sharing your personal details in the comment section. But if you want to share the trader ID, you can share it. I will forward it to the relevant department. 60, no gain first time deposited and loss. Then Preeti ji, I want to ask one thing, that which technical you have used. Have you used anything, or you were just focused on last three candles for green, next can be green, last three candles for red, next can be red? Sandeep Gaming, he made a profit of 15,000. Very nice. Please explain Safari again. Praveen, there is a request for Safari. If you can explain it again.
Okay, so basically, this strategy has three main component. First is Japanese candlestick. Second, you can see the blue histogram, that is MACD. And third is the William percenter. Now, Japanese candlestick, we all know when it is green, it means market is going up or the price is going up. And when it is red, the price is going down. So we need green for an uptrade, we need red for a downtrade. Now, we cannot just take trade on basis of green or red. Okay, it's not Heiken dynasty, it's Japanese dynasty. So we need extra confirmation. And for that, we are using MACD and William percenter. Now, let me explain what William percenter is, how it works. So basically, if you see, there are three levels here. Okay. In center, you have 50, above 50, you find 20, and below 50, you find 20, 80. Okay. Now, whenever you see this green histogram above 50 line, okay, above 50 line, it's a signal for uptrend. Market is going in a upward direction. Okay. And whenever you see this histogram below 50 line, it is a signal for a downtrend. Okay. Now, the beauty of William percentile is not only it tells you about the trend going up or down, but it also tells you where you can expect reversal and correction. Meaning, whenever this green histogram goes beyond like above 20 level, that means the market has reached this overbought zone. Now, anytime it can go down. Okay. And for that, you have to be very careful. Meaning, signal, yes, it is for uptrend, but you cannot go for big amount trade because at this point, trend can reverse anytime. Okay. Similarly, when the histogram is below 50, it's a downtrend. But when it crosses this 80 level, that means the price has come to oversold zone and it can bounce back anytime. So again, if you're taking a down direction trade, well and good, but never go with a big amount trade because price can move up anytime. Okay. So we need this up for uptrend, below 50, downtrend. Okay. Now, we cannot just take a trade on basis of William percent or because we are using MACD also. So here, just to make it simple, I'll tell you, see the blue histogram. If it is above the zero line, it's a signal for uptrend. If it is below the zero line, it's a signal for downtrend. Now, never expect like, okay, if it is down, then it is down only. It is not up. Only when it comes up, it's up. Only when you see these three, that is green candle above zero line MACD and William percent or above 50, that's a signal for uptrend. Red candle histogram William percent are below 50 and MACD also below zero. That's the signal, that's the entry point you should look out for. Anything, let's say, no, sir, only candlestick and William percent are give and MACD, no, no, it's not a signal. So we are using three things. We have to check three things. Yes, I hope.
Oh,
And the candle time is 1 minute. Expiration is 2 to 4 minutes.
uh,
Yes, Kunal. I think I explained.
yeah, I'm sure that that was pretty well explained. So still traders, if you will be having any doubt, you can do one thing when you will be applying that strategy. So if that is unlocked for you, of course, I'm sure that you will be able to get a screen there, like get a video over there, so you will be able to explore that. At the same time, still in case if you miss something, you can scroll it back. Still, if you want to have a more elaborated session, so I'm sure that you will be finding in the playlist as well, because we have talked about this strategy multiple times in the past. Okay, I have made a couple of trades, a couple of losses also. Praveen, this information I want to share with you also. So far, I have used both the RFTs, and unfortunately, it's already 7, and I face some sudden volatilities, and as a result, I have made some losses. And all in all, somewhere my capital is somewhere around 15,073. I'm not in minus, but not that much profit. What about you? How much profit you have? Like, what's your capital like?
My trades are going. So give me another 3 minutes and I'll tell you. So should I stop taking trade or should I continue? Because my trades are going.
Like, they are going good or they are going very bad?
They are going kind of good. See, in trades, best of your trade is only 80%, right? Best of your trades. So I'm saying it is going good so far. Let's see what happens. So should I
Of
stop
course.
trading or shall I continue?
Of course, you can continue. That is completely like
Yes,
we
you can
still have
continue, right?
almost 10-15 minutes, and we will
And
stop accepting the entries from the trader side. So any
Mhm,
entry after
mhm,
this window, we will not be entertaining that one. So everything whatever we have already received, we will be considering that.
mhm.
And at the same time, I am also trying to cover majority of the comments. So there is one comment from Abhinav. Sir, currently I am thinking to quit trading for some years because I have analyzed my financial transaction and I haven't deposited more than 1500 at one time, and I will just wipe it off. See, Abhinav, if you wish to take a break, feel free to take a break. But at the same time, you can also explore the demo account so that you will be in touch with the market. I'm not asking you to make a deposit or something. I completely respect your decision. You can take a quick break. But if you think that sooner or later I will come back, so keep on sharpening your knife, because the day you will quit it for all, then that will be very hard to come back. You need to explore everything from the beginning. So this is something which you can think about. Rest, I completely respect your decision. Okay, so Zerova is stating, sir, I lost 1 lakh and gained 20 lakh, but I am not trading, sir. I just predicting with more accuracy and not on fundamental analysis. Sir, see, that is completely up to you. But what exactly we are always suggesting that your assumption or your prediction can be incorrect if that is not based on any previous data, which we call technical analysis, current data, which we call graphical analysis, or future data, which we call fundamental. So if that is not based on any of these, then sometime that can be move into the incorrect side also. So these are the things which we suggest you should work on. These small deposits are just giving me compounded loss. See, Abhinav, understand one thing. For an example, treat your 1500 like 1500 dollar, and then think about that I am going to take each trade for $70. Because see, we have a mindset that when we make a small deposit, then when we are making small profit, then we think that this is not much, I'm not going to be rich with that one. But understand one thing, discipline is something which is going to help you to grow in certain way. And discipline can be teach this can be learned even when you are trading on demo account. Now, some traders will start commenting that, sir, on demo account we are making profit, but on live account we are making losses. Trader, understand one thing. Or if you think you can explore that also, you can do one thing: just open the platform in two different devices. In one, open demo account. In second, open live account, and you will find exact same codes. It's only the mindset we have. We do not have any pressure to avoid losses. We do not have any greed or any excitement to make profit. So that is the reason that we are just staying calm and we are just analyzing it. But when we start taking trades on live account, then we have a different mindset. So you need to work on that. And if you think that okay, with a smaller capital I am not going to use risk management, money management at all, but I will be using with the live capital, or I will be using it with a higher capital. Traders, understand one thing: if you are not going to hold like a small capital, then holding a higher capital, that is going to be way tougher for you. Because when you will be able to see more capital in your trading account, then you will be having more urge to invest more. And this is something
Basically,
on which you need to
yeah.
control. Yeah, please go
Basically,
ahead.
it's very simple. If you're not honest with one buck, you cannot be honest with 100 or 1,000. So you have to
Exactly.
be like that. Like it is not about how much you have, it is about how do you treat.
Exactly.
It's not about like what do you think I at this point I can do. No, be humble. Like you have this. The first thing is you have to treat your investment like a queen. Okay, I have to save it in the chess. How we play, I have to save it because if you are saving it, you are in the game. So you have to treat your savings as queen, your investment as queen. Yes, yes,
Exactly.
no, you can
Exactly.
continue.
Yeah. So, MSRK3IG, sir, please write the explanation of my problem for direct contact with the customer. Sir, I'm not getting exactly what exactly you're looking forward for. Either you can share your concern with me, either you can share your trader ID and I will forward it to the relevant department. They will get in touch with you and they will try to help you. At the same time, if you want to directly get in touch with them, support-hi or support-en@olymptrade.com. That is going to be the best one, where you will be getting all the required information. Okay, sir, have you tried flip trade feature on Olymptrade? Yes, Abhinav, I have tried that one. Like up to some extent, sometimes you will be finding it favorable, but when the commission is too high, then I believe that that doesn't make any sense to make a $20 trade profitable by spending a commission of $25, because you will be able to execute a new trade. So that is something which you can think about. You need to explore that as per that. Like if the that specific opportunity is that lucrative and you are going to make additional profit, then that completely makes sense. But if it is more than that one, then you can avoid it. Okay, sir, my deposit is not credited. It took 6 to 7 months. Okay, this is my trader ID. So, sir, I will just forward it to the relevant department. They will look into it and then they will be connecting you. Like they will be writing you all the required details on your email ID. Okay. Uh, okay, sir, I will not spam. Thank you so much. Sir, I sent my trade. I already got, sir. I will be forwarding it. Okay, sir, I can share my phone number for direct. No, sir, please do not share any of your personal details. Please avoid doing that. This is to everyone. Your trader ID is enough. They will be getting in touch with you via email. Because of relationships, country, sir, invest in Bitcoin stock. It of course goes up. Sir, that completely depends, like what exactly happens. But of course, if you have a great hold on fundamentals, you can think about that. Uh, said hi, sir. Please see my chart. Chats, sir, already consider. One thing I do not understand, that you Olymptrade broker earned money when we make loss, and then why you are guiding us to how to make profit. SH Kanji, let me clarify that one. So we are not making profits behind your losses. So we are getting a specific, very small commission from the prime broker. Whether your trade is positive or negative, we are going to get the same commission. So what exactly, like why we are spending so much effort or we are spending so much resources in guiding you, so that now for an example, just for an instance, like there is a trader who is having the total capital of $100. He made some random trades and then he made a loss and then he just quit the platform. So we will not be getting any further commission. At the same time, we will come into the picture. We will teach the trader that what things they can improve, how they can improve their trading, how they can make more and more profit. Because the more profit you are going to make, the more frequent you are going to be on the platform. For an example, another trader made a deposit of $100. He turned it into 200. He made a withdrawal of 150. Again, he started taking trades with that left 50, and then he turned it to 100, 150, any amount. So the more trades he is going to take, the more commission we are going to. So it is going to be a win-win situation. And traders, let me tell you one more thing. This is not the only source where we are trying to teach our traders that how they can improve their trading. We are also conducting some group sessions. We are on Zoom. At the same time, we are also conducting some one-to-one session, and all these sessions, all these services are free of cost. So those who have reached on expert level, they can avail that service. Make sure your contact number should be updated on the platform, so that whenever we will be we want to connect you, or you will reach to the expert level, we will be able to connect you. At the same time, if the call went to spam, or because we are calling usually calling from a +44 number, or you were not able to attend that call, or because of any XYZ reason we were not able to connect, and you moved back to advanced or expert, but you have reached expert at least once in a lifespan, but you haven't availed that service, but you want to avail it right away. Just do one thing: drop an email to support team or a message to support team. Tell them, sir, I need guidance in trading. Please raise a callback request. If your contact number is updated, good enough. If not, just share it with them. Please, I'm repeating myself, please avoid sharing details in the comment section. Share it with the support team. They will forward it to us and we will come into the picture and we will work on it. We will align session for you. And the best part, whether you are going to take one session or 1000 session, all these sessions are going to be free of. Okay, so no need to pay anything ever to anyone. And if somebody is asking you to pay something, make sure that call is not from us. Sir, on demo trade, I gain profit and losses, but when I take trade on real account, I get excited and invest my whole capital. See, Abhinav, this thing I have told you multiple times: do not get pressurized or do not get overexcited, because that can lead to some overtrade. Okay, so third strategy is what Eric. So he is using Safari. I am using Friday, but along with Friday, I have added stochastic as well. Okay, so I do a lot of like chart GPT and where same things that the broker earn with. No, sir, we have a different set of rule. Which strategy are you using right now? So Karthik, I am using Friday along with stochastic, and Praveen is using Safari strategy. Okay, I am eager to know about Praveen sir number of traders profitability. I want to hide comments. Please tricks explain. Sir, I want to hide comments. Krishna ji, I'm not getting your comment, but Praveen, what's your score now? Like how much profit you have?
Uh, 17,056. So I think I'm in loss of $100.
Okay, so at least I
But
am the winner for today, even though I have made a very small profit, but at least I
uh,
have a profit.
you have a profit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
let's see how 62 profitable trades, and
okay.
I did good, but I took unnecessary trades like too much. See,
Mm,
success was there, two. Then I choose 18, 18, 18. Success again, nothing. So I had good trades, but somewhere, yeah.
see, so
So
like
today you are,
this is a part of trading. Like sometime you will be making some
ah,
more profit, or like we have a unlimited time also that we have to take maximum trade within 1 hour. So that is also a foundation we need to
hmm.
follow. But for me, I haven't taken that many trades, but of course I have made some losses. So all in all,
Not
uh,
just I understand how many trades I took, but still my loss is not even $100.
see, that is
Yeah,
that's
done.
traders should also understand. Traders should also focus
Ah,
on that part. That even though after making that many negative trades, at least capital is there. Because I'm sure I can give it in written also, Praveen. I know that once I'll close this session, you will take hardly 2 to 3 trades, and you are going to recover more than even double of that. I know that.
see, the thing is, the rule is like we cannot spend more than $20, right?
That is
That
no,
is
but
the
still,
rule, and I have to follow that. So
no, no,
I am not complaining. Fair and square, you won. But what I'm trying to say here is, like, you took trade every risk for $20. I didn't take that risk. Like, I
that
have
is
many trades which are successful for $1, $2. Had I taken them for 20, I would have won 20 and I would have easily won that competition,
that
right?
that is
But I just cannot, like, just to win this competition, I cannot compromise with what I am, my discipline I have made so far.
exactly.
So,
This is what exactly I was expecting that you will convey to the traders, because see, traders understand one thing: you might make some profit, you might make some loss, but discipline is the key which you are going to hold throughout your trading channel. You have to focus on
see, like, you cannot compromise with your process. Like, there are some certain times, we will throw carrot. It is our job. Okay. But you have to be disciplined because you know your process. Okay.
that.
If I'll just show, for example, okay, some examples. So if you notice, there are few trades which I took for $5, $10, and those trades were successful. Okay. Let me show you. So here you see 18, 18, 18, then 20 I lost, and then you see $5 success. Okay. $1 trade successful. Just imagine if I would have taken this instead of one, I would have taken 20. Just imagine.
Exactly.
Okay.
The numbers
So
could be
if you
different.
number could be different. But the thing is, if I am thinking that I am not sure whether I'm going to win this trade, and that is where I put $1, $2, right?
And that is what we call
I
precautions.
cannot compromise with, like, this is my process. So that is how I do. So just because it's a competition, as Kunal is saying, I like, if there is one good signal comes, I'll take a trade, big trade, and I'll recover because the loss is still in my control. Just for the sake of game, I am not losing, so much that I feel pressurized to recover it.
No, no,
Okay.
completely
So
makes sense.
one last thing for I'll say, Kunal, after that you can wrap up.
Mhm.
I should be controlling the trades. The trade should not control me. That is the one thing I want to say to everyone. You should control your trade. Your trade should not control you. That is how it should. Yes, Kunal.
200% agree with that. 200% agree with that. Okay, so traders, this is the time to wind up today's conversation. So I can see that there are some traders, those who have made a very quick analysis, very close analysis to the exact profit, either me or Praveen executed, but they were those entries were the beyond the timing from which we were not supposed to accept that. So there is one entry which I believe that that is the most nearest to the profit which I have made. So that trader ID is 129110141. I'm repeating it again. It's 129110141. If the trader is still available in the comment section in the session, so please confirm me your name so I can give your name a quick shout out, and at the same time I can also congratulate. Okay, so how much time does the Olymptrade withdrawal takes? Sir, 24 hour to 5 working days is the maximum time. Majority of withdrawals with processed within 20 within first hour. Now today in night, Praveen sir will take $200 trade and cover it. Abhinav, trust me, even he's not going to trade with 200. He's going to trade with more than that one, and he's going to recover everything. How much time does Olymptrade? Sir, how to hide comments from the screen because I cannot see full screen. Sir, I'm not sure. Like either you can rotate it. Okay, so with 65 success rate, should I continue with the horizon strategy or should I go for a different? See, Karthik, 65 is a very nice success rate. All you just need to grab a hold on your risk management and money management, and you will be more than happy to see the result. Like you will be able to make profits easily.
Ka- Karthik, one
Okay,
more
sir.
suggestion from me. If you are using Horizon, just check your trades, the successful trades, and try to find if there is any similarity. Try to see that pattern where you are successful, and then you start hammering those patterns. Yes,
Yeah,
Kunal.
this is an approach which he can take also. Yeah. Okay, so traders, we are running short of time. So thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for your comments, and thank you so much for your interaction. And I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. And traders, whatever you have learned today, make sure you explore it on your demo accounts. Then conclude whether something is working for you or not, and then take it to your live account. And Parveen, thanks to you also. Thank you so much, buddy, for sparing time and joining me. I hope you will be able to spare a few more sessions with me, and thanks for bearing
Sure.
me.
As long as alive and working for Olymptrade, I am happy to be with you.
So sweet of you.
I just enjoy these battles. I
So
really
sweet.
like having sessions with you. You know that already. Okay, so please don't hesitate to invite. Okay, I'm always yes. It's an always yes for you. Okay.
Thank you so much,
Yeah.
buddy. So sweet
Thank
of you.
you.
So, okay, traders, thank you so much. This was your host, Kunal Kapoor, along with his elder brother, his buddy, his companion, his teammate, Parveen. So, thank you so much
Thank
again.
you.
Take care. Bye bye. Cheers. Have
Thank
a
you,
safe
everyone. All the best, and
trading.
I wish all of you a successful trading. Bye bye.
I wish you the same and happy weekend. Take care. Cheers.
Yeah, everyone. Bye.